What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. I just wanted to get on here and wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. If you woke up this morning, you have something to be thankful for. No one has nothing to be thankful for today. So start the day off with some positive energy. But I'm about to head to work. Yes, I have to work today. It's not a bad thing, or like I was saying, guys, everyone has something to be thankful for today, not just because it's Thanksgiving, but in every day in general. If you wake up every morning with breath in life and a good bit of health, you know, you have something to be thankful for. So don't ever take a day for granted, as the next day is not promised. Like I said, I have to go to work today, which is totally fine. I'm blessed and thankful that I have a job. I can wake up and make videos like this for you guys. I still get to go spend time with my family before I go to work, so it works out. But I mean, you have to look at the positives in every situation that you're presented with. So we're gonna go eat some food, spend some time with family, then I'm gonna head to work. Yeah, that's just life, you know. So we're gonna go enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a safe day. Please remember to go down and like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on that notification bell so you can get every upload when I upload. So everyone have a great day. Peace.